Look at that. That is awesome. See all that in there? Just look at that. I don't think you're supposed to have a window in your block, so. Alright folks, I'm going to go ahead and torque these flywheel bolts and then get this transmission ready to install. I probably said this before, but it's definitely not the easiest motor transmission marriage that I've dealt with. So definitely these transverse mounted motors are hard to deal with. There's not a whole lot of room, and there's a lot of components in the way. So here I thought I could lift up the transmission by myself, but that thing probably weighs 150, 160 pounds. It's all gears and you know, solenoids and whatnot. But there is a bolt that is kind of hidden. It's right under the turbo and between the transfer case and the turbo. So either turbo has to be uninstalled or the transfer case just to get to it. Either remove or install. Alright guys, this is not what it looks like. I am not installing that motor with a hammer and a mallet, so no matter what you might see there, but I did struggle with this install for about an hour just trying to line up the studs from the transmission and the 2 motor mount bolts. So it was not easy to do. The engine was kind of crooked. Alright folks, let's show you what's going on. Motor is in. Look at that. All its glory. So when the turbo gets here, go ahead and install it in that vacant area. But man, that is a wrap. It was hot, so I am filthy. Let's catch you guys on the next time.